The Caterpillar 320-2026 stands out as a refined and powerful hydraulic excavator designed for medium-scale construction, infrastructure, and earth-moving projects. It balances performance, fuel efficiency, and advanced technology, making it a reliable choice for contractors who want productivity without excessive operating costs. The overall design reflects Caterpillar's focus on durability and operator comfort, ensuring the machine performs consistently in demanding environments. Under the hood, the Caterpillar 320-2026 is equipped with a modern, emissions-compliant engine that delivers strong digging power while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency. The engine is tuned to provide smooth torque delivery, allowing operators to handle tough materials like compacted soil, gravel, and rock with confidence. Reduced fuel consumption compared to earlier generations helps lower daily operating expenses. The hydraulic system of the 320 is one of its strongest features, offering precise control and fast cycle times. Advanced electro-hydraulic controls allow operators to perform delicate tasks such as trenching or grading with accuracy, while still having the raw power needed for heavy digging. This balance improves job site efficiency and reduces unnecessary wear on components. Operator comfort has clearly been prioritized in the Caterpillar 320-2026. The cab is spacious, quiet, and well insulated from vibrations, making long working hours less tiring. An adjustable seat, intuitive joystick controls, and a large touchscreen display help operators stay focused and comfortable throughout the day, which directly improves productivity. Technology integration is another highlight of the 320-2026. Built-in machine guidance and monitoring systems help operators dig to precise depths and slopes, reducing rework and material waste. Telematics features allow fleet managers to track machine health, fuel usage, and maintenance schedules remotely, supporting better decision-making and reduced downtime. Durability remains a core strength of the Caterpillar brand, and the 320-2026 is no exception. The reinforced boom, stick, and undercarriage are designed to withstand harsh job site conditions. High-quality components and proven engineering contribute to a long service life, even when the machine is used intensively. Maintenance on the Caterpillar 320-2026 has been simplified to save time and money. Ground-level access to service points makes routine checks faster and safer. Extended service intervals and advanced diagnostics reduce the frequency of downtime, allowing operators and owners to keep the machine working when it matters most. In terms of versatility, the 320-2026 supports a wide range of attachments, including buckets, breakers, grapples, and augers. This adaptability makes it suitable for multiple applications, from construction and roadwork to utility installation and landscaping. Switching attachments is straightforward, increasing the machine's usefulness on diverse projects. Safety features are well integrated into the Caterpillar 320-2026, providing confidence on busy job sites. Enhanced visibility from the cab, rear view cameras, and optional proximity detection systems help reduce the risk of accidents. Stable machine balance and responsive controls further improve overall operational safety. Overall, the Caterpillar 320-2026 delivers a strong combination of power, efficiency, comfort, and technology. It is a dependable excavator that meets the needs of modern construction while keeping operating costs under control. For contractors seeking a proven machine with advanced features and long-term reliability, the 320-2026 remains a highly competitive choice in its class.